Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a smart, compact, and highly effective air purifier, the Coway Airmega AP-1512HH True HEPA Air Purifier. If you're looking to improve indoor air quality, reduce allergens, and maintain a clean breathing environment at home, this purifier is one of the most reliable options in its class. The first thing that stands out is its True HEPA filtration system, which captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and fine particulate matter. This makes it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, families with pets, or anyone concerned about air pollution. The pre-filter captures larger particles first, prolonging the life of the HEPA filter, while the activated carbon filter helps reduce odors, smoke, and volatile organic compounds VOCs. The Airmega AP-1512HH features real-time air quality monitoring with a smart indicator light that changes color based on your indoor air quality. The auto mode adjusts fan speed automatically depending on particle levels, ensuring efficient purification while conserving energy. Eco mode further helps reduce electricity consumption by pausing operation when the air quality is clean, making it energy-friendly without compromising performance. Other features include a timer function for scheduled operation, a filter replacement indicator, and a compact design with dimensions of 16.8 x 18.3 x 9.7 inches, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices. The purifier operates quietly, even at higher speeds, so it won't disturb sleep or daily activities. Its sleek white design fits seamlessly with modern home decor. Setting it up is simple. Just plug it in, turn it on, and the purifier will begin monitoring and adjusting its settings automatically. Its efficiency and smart features have made it a top choice among HEPA purifiers in 2025. If you want cleaner, healthier air with minimal hassle, the Coway Airmega AP-1512HH is an excellent choice. Check the link below to get yours, and make sure to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more daily tech reviews.